Welcome to Arduino No series. In this project we need breadboard, Arduino Uno, 6 LED, some jumper wires, and battery. Note: the small pin connection of the LED should always be on the upper part of the breadboard, which will be our negative. Note: the big pin of the LED will always be facing down because we will connect that pin to the digital pin of a no. Fit the 6 LEDs as shown in the video. Let's write code now without any coding experience. D23 for 5, 6, 7 is positive, and GND is common. Note: during jumper wire connecting, the jumper wire pin in the positive part of the LED should be placed on the same line in which the LED positive pin. Now we will take a common connection for the negative, that is grounded part. Now let's power up the Arduino by connecting the digital and ground connections. It's doing the job well.